Guys, I'm super excited, and in this wonderful video I'm going to show you guys how to create a PayPal account successfully. So from my Google, you can search for PayPal. So click on the first interface, paypal.com. I'll also leave a link below in the description box so you can easily access this wonderful website. So this is paypal.com. So by default, I'm on NGN, so this is Nigeria. This is the interface. You can see they only have space for personal, there's no space for business here, right? You can log in, you can sign in, you can learn more. They have a lot of things here, but it's limited. There's no business account, you can only open personal account. So what you want to do here is come here and click on paypal.com/ls. This is ls. Click on enter. Now see the difference. This one has personal, this one has business, this one has partners and developers. This one has a lot of information here. So you can see paypal.com, the smart choice for business. So this is a cool stuff you can use, use it to create accounts or wherever you are in. So just use this link, paypal.com/ls. Again, I'll leave the link below in the description box so you can easily access this wonderful website. So after that, come to the top right corner, click on sign up. You see another interface here, so you can sign up for personal, you can sign up for business. For this purpose, I'm signing up for business because it has a lot of things like API. You can integrate it to your website if you run a business. So here is where they prompt you to put your email address. Mind you, any email address you put here is your address. It's your unique address you use to receive funds. So if anybody wants to send you money on PayPal, this is the email you send to them. So make sure you use the email that represents your business so people can identify with you. So real quick, let me show you how to create one. So this is Gmail. Alright, so you can come here and create another account. So let me come here, add a new account. You can come here and use another account. You can create a new account for yourself. So let me start from the scratch. Alright, so once you add the email address, that's one I'm using for the original 3605@gmail.com, you click on continue. Here is where they prompt you to put a password. So make sure you use a strong password. This has to do with your money. You make use of numbers, lowercase, uppercase, and you can use special characters as well. So click on continue. Here is the business contact information. You put your legal name here. So I'm using this for the purpose of this, but make sure you put your legal information as it appears on your government issued ID card. If you are using driver's license, if you are using international passport, whichever thing you are using, make sure it tallies with that. Okay, so here is your business details. So make sure you put your business name here. So I'm going to use this for the purpose of this. So this is what they are going to see. Your customers, this is the business name they are going to see. Anything where you put here is what they are going to see. If you put ventures, maybe you have a Sophia Sons Limited Ventures, that's what they are going to put here. So here on the phone number, you select the phone number you want to use. Here is the interesting part about business accounts. You can choose any other country's phone number. So I can come here and scroll down to Nigeria and add a Nigerian number here. So this is Nigeria. I can add Nigerian number here. Just for the purpose of this tutorial, just a random number. Then here on the business address, make sure you use an address that is real. So I might open up a new tab here and search for Lesotho map. Right. So I'll come here and filter it by map. So this is the map. I can zoom in here. Select a point, and I just pick a point here. And zoom in, and copy the address here. So this is the address. I can copy this address. It's a real address. That's the thing. If you use it from Google Maps, it's a real address, not like all these fake addresses. So this is a real address. You can come here, paste this, then the city or province can copy this, come here and paste it as well. It states come here and paste it as well. So this is 100. That's the postal code for Lesotho. You can simply Google that. So let me click on this real quick. So this is the full address here, right? This is the full address. So this is how to get the real address. This one is no longer fake address generator or whatever. This is the real address. You can simply copy this, right? So once you are done, from here, primary currency, I suggest you give it at USD. Don't change it to Australian or British or Canadian or whatever. I agree with their terms and conditions. It's not like you have any other options anyway. So click on continue. Right here is another interesting part. What describe your business? Is this individual? Is this sole proprietorship? Is it corporation or partnership? I highly encourage you to put individual. Then your products and services, put digital. Goods, you can put applications. Then you have a website for your business. You can simply add the website here. It's optional anyways. Also leave it on blank. And date of birth, you put your date of birth. So this is date of birth I want to use for this. June. So this is a random date of birth. Your nationality, you have to simply leave it as Lesotho because now it's country based. If you use another country here, they are going to mark their account down because you can't use another country and be operating in different countries. So on your ID document, you can put national ID, you can put passport, you can put anyone. So I'll use this for instance. And come here on the national ID number. You can simply open another tab again and click Lesotho national ID. So once you see this, you can filter it by images. I can select one now and copy the national ID or use it in this. So I can open this for instance. So this is the ID number, example of ID numbers. Okay, so I can simply copy this, copy, or Ctrl C, come back here and paste it. Right, so I can make a little tweak here. I can just change the last digit to 5 or something. Right, so on the home address, I don't encourage you to make it the same as business address because most of the businesses don't operate in the same location as their home. Right, if that makes sense. So let me come back to the map. This is the map. I can choose a different location in the same city. Right, this is another location. Another location in the same city. Right, so I just pick this. Select a building. Right, so it's something you can use here. After adding the address, make sure it's different from the business address. Your home address is different from the business address. As you can see, this is another real address, but it's different from the first address I added. So click on submit. Alright, as you can see, the account is fully created. This is the fresh account and it's fully functional. The first thing you want to do is to come to your email. You can see confirm your email. Click on confirm email so you can easily confirm your email. Just put the password again. Right. Put the password and confirm your email as simple. So after confirming your email address, the next thing you want to do is to link a US card or bank account. So once you link it, your account will be fully verified. So if you need help in creating an account, hit me up. My contact information is first thing below in the description box. My WhatsApp is there, my Facebook, my Telegram, my Instagram, whichever means you deem fit to contact me, hit me up so I can create a good working paper account successfully for you that you can be able to use a verified account and send and receive money. Now there's a banner passing in your screen. If you're interested in that, any services around that, just hit me up. Maybe you want to buy cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, USDT, whatever it is, hit me up so we can transact. And you can see I have successfully created an account. If you're interested in this, or maybe you want to create an ID for temporary limitation of people, maybe you have a South African people account or Lesotho people account or UAE people account, and you need an ID card to verify your identity, I can sort out that for you and create it for you. So that being said, my contact information again is below as well as on your screen, and I'll see you guys on my next video.